Welcome to Miss Vind. Can you guess the flag? Let's see how many countries you can get right. Before starting, please subscribe to the Miss Vind channel for more exciting quizzes. Let's get started. Here comes the first one. What country is this? It's the United States of America. Awesome. Let's keep it rolling. Can you name this country? That's France. Keep going. White flag with a red circle. What's your guess? It's Japan. Great job. You're on fire. Green, yellow, and blue. Recognize it? That's Brazil. Red maple leaf. Who does it belong to? It's Canada. You got it. Let's go. Black, red, yellow. Ring a bell? That's Germany. Awesome pick. Keep it up. Which country has this iconic flag? That's United Kingdom. Red, white, and green stripes. It's Italy. Boom. You're smashing it. Tricolor with the Ashoka chakra in the middle. That's India. Nice work. Keep climbing. Red flag with 5 yellow stars. Know it? That's China. Perfect. Keep that energy up. White, blue, and red. Which country? That's Russia. Well done. You're flying. Eagle with a snake on a cactus. It's Mexico. Red and blue yin yang. That's South Korea. Amazing. You're a flag master. Stars and a Union Jack. That's Australia. Nice guess. You're doing great. Arabic script on green. That's Saudi Arabia. Good one. Keep going. Crescent and a star. It's Turkey. Great eye. Let's move on. Color explosion on a flag. That's South Africa. Nailed it. Keep shining. Light blue, white, and a sun. That's Argentina shining bright. You're a star. Eagle of Saladin front and center. That's Egypt. Yes. You're doing amazing. Green, white, green. Which African country? That's Nigeria. Solid guess. Let's keep going. What's the country? That's Spain. Brilliant. You're crushing it. Green with a white crescent and star. Which nation? It's Pakistan. Sun with 3 stars. Which Asian country? Philippines. Right on. Keep it up. 2 simple stripes, white and red. It's Poland. Sharp guess. Red on top, white on bottom. That's Indonesia. Awesome. Blue, black, and white horizontal stripes. That's Estonia. Green background with a red circle. It's Bangladesh. Red flag with a yellow star. That's Vietnam. Perfect. 5 stripes of red, white, and blue. It's Thailand. Nicely done. Let's go. Moon and star with stripes. That's Malaysia. Bingo. Keep going. The only non-rectangular flag. Which country? That's Nepal. Epic guess. You've got this. Yellow, blue, and red horizontal stripes. It's Colombia. Red and white with a crest. That's Peru. Blue square with a star and red-white halves. It's Chile. Fantastic. Keep going. Stars in a curve. Yellow, blue, and red. That's Venezuela. A sun with a face and blue stripes. It's Uruguay. Red, yellow, green, and a crest. It's Bolivia. Nice catch. Keep rolling. Red triangle, white star, and stripes. That's Cuba. Legendary guess. Keep going. Red, white, and blue with an emblem. That's Costa Rica. Awesome. Black, green, and gold in an X. It's Jamaica. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.